In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini, including leveraging the new prompts for optimized results. First, open up your web browser and head over to Google by typing in its web address. Once there, type Google Gemini into the search bar. As you know, search engines are great at directing you exactly where you want to go, and Google will be no different here. Upon seeing the search results, click on the link to Google Gemini. This will direct you to the main page where you can start working with the tool. Now that you're on the Google Gemini platform, let's dive into crafting a prompt. Imagine you need to craft an email targeting a potential client. Perhaps you're trying to persuade them of the benefits of your new silicone cooking utensil. This tool excels in precisely this scenario. Start by briefly describing the advantages of your product, particularly focusing on how it can enhance efficiency within the cooking industry. Elevate your argument by mentioning a case study where another company saw marked improvements in productivity thanks to your product. Conclude your prompt with a clear call to action, urging the recipient to schedule a demo. With your prompt ready, hit the Submit button. Keep in mind that processing might take a few moments. Google Gemini is analyzing the input to produce a nuanced response, so a bit of patience will go a long way here. Once your results are generated, review them. Google Gemini offers the unique ability to adjust the length of your output dynamically. If you feel that the response is too brief or too verbose, simply adjust by clicking on Change Length. If you decide that a longer response will be better suited for your needs, just select Long and wait for the results to populate. Conversely, if brevity is what you're aiming for, change the setting to Short. Again, take note that these changes might take a little time to process. Once the revised response is ready, you'll be able to see how effectively Google Gemini tailors its responses to fit different content length requirements. To summarize, Google Gemini is a powerful tool for creating dynamic content, and it empowers you with control over how detailed or concise you need the output to be. Whether you're writing professional emails, drafting marketing materials, or seeking creative content, Google Gemini is an efficient companion in your digital toolkit. Don't forget to practice using these features to familiarize yourself fully with the platform. Make sure to leverage its capabilities and experiment to understand how you can best utilize its offerings. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing how you put Google Gemini to work for your projects.